Hello all. This is I'll be giving the analysis of the week from 28th to the 1st of April. So I'll be starting over with EXY. This is the strength of the dollar. I want to know what the dollar is likely to give us this week. Now, from our analysis, the dollar is currently sort of ranging, so we um, can't actually get a directional bias of the dollar. But what we can see is that the dollar has been strong. It has been strong. It's been forming um, series of higher highs. And currently, it's ranging. So possibly we can see that the dollar is likely to fall from this area, fall downwards, and probably go back up again from this area. So, but for now, the dollar is really doing nothing. There's really nothing to talk about. Um, on this page. Now we have to go to Euro USD. What do we have on the Euro USD? Euro USD has been on an uptrend. You can see it's been uptrending, creating higher highs, and presently there is a low here. So we're going to look at how the market reacts at this level. Yeah, it's likely the market pushes up from here and breaks its high, or most likely it comes down a little, maybe towards the side, yeah, and pushes higher and pushes higher, or most likely it keeps going downwards up to the point. Or I'm very much bullish on this pair. In fact, I'm bullish right now on this pair, and I'm looking forward to the market actually going up. But if it doesn't, then we have to have a different outlook of the market. So what we can see now is what we can see now is uh, higher highs, which is a bullish market structure. So from the EU, expecting that the euro strengthens, but if it doesn't, then we'll have to change our view. Now we're going over to GBP USD. What do we have on the GBP USD chart? You can see it's been creating higher highs, and higher lows. So at this point, where I'm still bullish on the H4 time frame, I'm very much bullish, and I'm expecting that the market goes higher from this point, knowing that there is a liquidity profile here, knowing that market uh, the buyers will actually make a rally upwards. However, conversely, in forex market we have to be flexible. We don't have to be one view or one way. Yeah, in our view of the forex market. So conversely, if it doesn't go as predicted, then likely it comes back down to probably this point, probably this point. Yeah, that's what we can actually say. But for now, we're still very much bullish based on the market structure, which is giving us a bullish market structure. And so I'm rushing quickly because I want to cover quite a lot of other pairs. And now we're going to AUD USD. Now from the daily time frame, saying that this actually is has been buying. This is the daily time frame. It's been buying protein series of higher highs, and here we can say okay, probably the Australian dollar is likely to retrace, or yeah, likely to retrace. That means likely to actually start selling. But we need to consider the market structure. What is he actually doing here? It's still very much bullish. So what am I looking for this week? What am I looking for this week? I'm actually looking for probably a retracement here and probably here and a retracement probably up to this point. Conversely, um, the market could as well, from this point, could as well keep pushing upwards before it retraces back. So, oh, we just have to go. For now, we are still bullish. We are still, it's either we wait for a retracement to buy a little, and if market structure breaks for itself, then we continue, or it continues buying, or we just have to see how the market unfolds. And we're going over to Euro JPY. EURUSD GBPUSD, what do we have on EURUSD GBPUSD? I usually analyze from the daily time frame, because it gives me a bigger picture of the market. It makes me understand, know the trend. So now we're looking at um this has been a bullish trend right from 7th of March. Several days it's been bullish, and you can see the market has already broken a resistance. So I'm looking at this to be a stop hunt, yes, or yeah, it's a stop watch really. Um, the market makers trying to take out some traders from this point. So I would expect that this market this week, yeah, this week, would expect that it sells, but there hasn't been a market structure break here for itself. So I'm expecting that the market breaks here and probably comes back to retest and continues for itself. Yeah, that is what we can see, because and also the yen has been so weak. So we expect that in a few days time, starting from as the market opens, we expect that it actually retraces and gains some strength. Now, what do we see from USDJPY? USDJPY has been buying, and for days too as well, it's been buying, and so far we can expect it to retrace. Yeah, most likely it comes back here, breaks here, and retraces and continues itself. In all, we have to wait, and also we can't just we have to look at the other side. What if it doesn't sell? So most likely, if it doesn't sell, then you can see it probably coming here and buying, maybe probably from this side, coming here and continue its bullish trend here. Anything is possible in the market. So we have to be flexible with our views. But we just have to look at the market structure. As the market opens, we actually look at how the market flows as the week starts. Now we're going over to USD Canadian dollar. Yeah, USD Canadian dollar. We look at this, look at the trend. You can look at the trend. It's been double bottom right here and here. This is a support and a support region. So we can see that price is still very much bearish. The Canadian dollar is still very much strong, but we still have to follow the trend, and by waiting for a discount or a premium rather, beg your pardon, premium up to probably point, this point, and a continuous sell. So that is what we can see right now from the market. We're waiting for it to retrace. So once it retraces, um, as it's I think it has actually retraced. Yeah, I think my chart is actually slow. It has retraced actually. So once it retraces, okay, yeah, sorry, this market just started now, so I take a pardon. Yeah, I think this market hasn't retraced yet. So I think it's most likely going to retrace, then continue. Yeah, and continue. So going over to USDF. Yeah, yeah, I was going to mistake this for USD card actually, but I knew there was a market that retraced already. Okay, so this is um USDF. The market has been all through, bullish all through. Yeah, it's been somewhat bullish all through, and we can actually see that the market at the moment is retracing. So we can actually expect that probably it retraces up to this point, because we've been having a trend, a bullish trend. This is not the reference high. This market broke this high. So this is the low and the high. So low, high, low, high. So higher low, higher high. So we're actually supposed to yeah, the market is actually, yes, expecting that it traces up to this point. So we can still expect some more bearish move on the USDHF. Yeah, so we can see that so we can see that the market is likely to resume its sell right here. Yeah, probably it's likely we see a slight push up, a slight push up, um, a slight push up to this point here. Yeah, a slight push up here. Then um, it continues. Let's say slight push up here. Then it continues to sell. Continues to sell. That is what we can actually see from the USD chart. Um, so we are expecting a continuous bearish trend up to most likely this region. Yeah. So US gold. What do we think of gold? Gold. At the moment, I still think it's very much bullish. Yeah, still from the market structure, judging from the market structure, still very much bullish. As you can see here, there's sort of like a liquidity profile here, and the market has dipped down into this point. So we can expect that likely the market runs back and probably comes back a little higher and continues selling. But for now, we can say that the market is currently bullish on the H4 time frame. So what will be our next move now? What will be our next move now? We can actually see that the market has broken this high. Yeah, and then so what we have to do is to wait for a discount, to wait for a discount, to wait for a discount, to wait for a discount up to this level. Yeah, probably up to this level, then we buy from this point, 61.8 or probably 50.0 or 61.8 Fibonacci level. Yeah, these are levels actually used in the market to for entry, for discounts and premiums. Yeah, if you really want to know much about it, you can inbox me um, to give you more insights on it. Now, quickly, AUDJPY, if I round off, AUDJPY has been bullish. Yeah, the yen actually has been weak, and the Australian dollar has been quite strong. It's been so much bullish. Um, it's been so much bullish. So what do we expect this week? I expect that either uh, the Australian dollar moves higher up to the next resistance level, yeah, and sells for retracement, or is likely to come down and start up its bearish market structure break, then retraces and continues to sell. And we have GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. It's also been bullish. It's also been bullish. So what do we expect? We expect that most likely um, this comes down, breaks down, and traces. Yeah, and continues to sell and start selling rather. Start selling. No, in all, we just have to see how the market unfolds. So far, this is what I can see from the market. So you can as well um, DM me or contact me if you want some free signals during the week at the course of the week of the trading week, so we can actually work alongside seeing how you can take advantage of the market. So thank you so much for watching, and see you some other time on our next analysis. Thank you. Peace.